viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Art and Craft. Feel free to watch and learn. Stuff we need: colorful beads, sequence ball, and sequence round ring. Before we start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my latest update. Let's start the video. Take a 8-inch elastic, make a knot and attach to the needle. Take a 3 colorful beads, one ball, sequence ball, again 3 beads, again 3 beads, add 4 sequence, 1, sequence ball, again beads, see the bracelet is ready now. Remove the fish wire from the elastic. Make a knot. This bracelet is now ready. Make a knot tightly. Now cut the elastic. This scratch bracelet tutorial is ready now. If you like my tutorial, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.